man Sundayz Bezt, and I want to first thank you for supporting the movement and the channel. And I want to let you know you can go to sundayzbezt.com right now and order yourself some merch. Every day is Sunday. What's going on? It's your man Sundayz Bezt, aka Big Domingo, aka Mr. You Already Know. If you haven't already, I want you to please hit the switch on that like button. Hit the switch on that subscribe button so you can stay up to date on what we got going on here at Sundayz Bezt. Stay up to date with the build, stay up to date with the lowrider scene, and all that in between. It's been a long time coming, man. I've been riding around in this car with no sounds, no nothing. All I can listen to is the purr of the Cadillac engine, you feel me? Now, thanks to my man, All Out Customs, took care of your boy at the house, man. This is the road to the Super Show. I got quite a few things to check off the list before I feel it's even ready to be presented to you. I know a lot of y'all been waiting on the car. Shoot, I've been waiting on the car. So I got a lot of things to check off the list. But one of the things I just checked off the list is my sounds. My car been around in different shops, going from place to place. And to be honest, I get nervous sometimes when my car is away from me. If my car is not here and I was like, if I can't open the garage door and look at my car, I get nervous. And so sending it to different shops and stuff, sometimes, man, that can be a little bit taxing on me, man. If you know, I mean, if you a real car dudes understand what I'm talking about, man. So, you know, I hate to be that annoying guy that comes and pops up at the shop or call in to check and see if you've done or see, you know, I don't like to be that guy. So I try to kind of, you know, give everybody their space to work. But sometimes, you know, these shops, they will sometimes, you know, let's be frank, they'll take advantage of you or, you know, just have your car sitting somewhere. I got a couple partners whose car has been in paint jail for I don't know how long. So I'm grateful that everybody who I've had the privilege of working with, Foul Owl in Vegas, Eminem Upholstery in Bloomington, all of them, those shops, they took care of me. They took care of my vehicle. It was safe. And Foul Owl is in Vegas. So I had to ship the car out to Vegas to get painted. And he took care of me out there like with no issues. I wasn't worried. He was transparent. He always kept me in the loop of what was going on. Same with the upholstery shop. So I felt like, you know, with all the horror stories that was going around, I was like, man, it's, you know, it won't be long, or I don't even want to speak that into existence. But what I was trying to do was avoid sending my car out as much. So if there's a chance that a person can actually come to where I stay and do the work, to me, that's a win. And that's exactly what I got with All Out Customs. I actually was introduced to him through my partner Bubba from the Majestics, the Inland Empire chapter. Shout out to the IE chapter, the Majestics. Bubba looked out for me. I saw All Out Customs doing some work on Bubba's Rag 60, if y'all haven't seen that. I was like, oh man, I reached out like, yo, what's up? Like, do your man do house calls? Or is that just something special for you? So he gave me the plug. I called All Out Customs. He came to the house, took care of the car. I couldn't be happier with the sound. Without further ado, what's happening with you, baby?
You know, getting ready to do this install.
That's it. Yo, got my man Jerry here from All Out Customs, man. I'm gonna drop his info down below. Go ahead on, give him a follow and all that good stuff. Yeah. He about to go ahead and get the lack right. One thing I really appreciate about my man Jay, he takes the time to explain to you why he's doing what he's doing. And for me, I don't know, that's just something that's really important. And it's something that I think is kind of like a lost art or lost quality.
So this right here, these are the fuse block and the ground, power and ground. What's gonna happen is the power that comes from the capacitors It's almost like a plug and play. It'll go into here and here, and it'll be good to go. Ready to drop it in. This is the most crucial part of the stereo system is the ground.
Okay.
So what we did is we hit it with the wire wheel brush all the way down to the metal, and then we secured it with a nut and bolt with a nylon lock.
Nice.
Make sure you have a proper ground for your stereo system.
Nice.
Otherwise, you'll have engine noise. We only use sky-high car audio. The best wire in the business.
Ooh, you see it.
OFC, all copper, 100%.
All copper. Remember I was talking to y'all on a couple videos ago when I was saying like my family, they don't really understand, you know, how excited I get about these cars and how I feel about lowriding and whatnot. Guess what? I got a surprise for you in the garage.
Okay.
Come on, go look. You ain't happy?
No, I don't.
Got a surprise for you. My car is getting sounds. Surprise!
Make sure it never cuts off.
That's it. That's
When
it.
you're bumping, you don't want to be bumping and it cut out right in the middle when you're about to serve somebody. You gotta be bumping.
Another thing that was pretty dope, he stayed diligent and dedicated to the project until it was done. And I mean, it took us it took us a bit, you know. My man Big J from All Out Customs, man, really took care of me today. And yo, you see what time it is, man. You see it's dark out. Hey, I appreciate you. Anybody looking for the, you know, audio needs or just custom work, man, All Out Customs. My guy Jerry will take care of you. I'm gonna drop his information down in the description.
We'll get you something real nice, just like this one.
Yeah, we
Next in line. That's how we do All Out Custom.
That's right, man. All Out Customs, baby. I would give y'all a sample of what the sounds sound like, but I decided against it for two reasons. Number one, every time I watch a YouTube video, somebody like, oh yeah, I'm gonna let you hear my sounds. It always sounds like trash. No matter how good the sound system really is, like in person, through these microphones and through these videos, you can never really get the full effect of it. And so that was the first reason why I decided against it. The second reason was, I don't need YouTube. Look, man, I love you, YouTube, right? But I don't need y'all hating on my, you know, my monetization. I don't need y'all taking nothing away from me. I don't want no copyright strikes and none of that. I know y'all don't like people playing, you know, copywritten music in the videos and stuff like that. So we're gonna go ahead on and just nix that. So now that I got the sounds in, now that I got the interior done, a few other things I got left, I'll let you know when I do them. Please, if you haven't already, hit the switch on that like button. Hit the switch on that subscribe button so you can stay up to date on my build, on the road to the Super Show, and all of the cool stuff we got coming up here at Sundayz Bezt.
Everybody get low, 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 low.